Hello there! Welcome to this video where we will be showing you how to navigate through Blackboard and Blackboard Collaborate so that way you know how to get into your virtual classes for this beginning of the semester. Hope you enjoy and let's get into it. So first you're going to log into Blackboard, and then once you're on the Blackboard screen, you're going to use your username and password that is the same as your username and password for your RAM link. If this doesn't work, you can always go to the IT help desk in the basement of the West Library, and they should be able to help you reset that password so that way you can get into your Blackboard. So once your username and password are in, go ahead and log in. Then this is going to take you to the Blackboard homepage where you will be able to see your courses to the right hand side over here, and then contact the help desk on this side. That's the same thing as the IT help desk, and it'll be, like I said, in the basement of the library. If you scroll down, you'll have my announcements. This is where your professors are going to send you announcements for any of your classes during that week or in the past couple of days, depending on if they want to let you know anything. Down here you also have my organizations. You have this online COVID training that you will be taking, I believe, at the beginning of the semester or at the beginning of your time here at Wesleyan. To the right, you can see online tutoring for undergraduate and graduate students. This is an online tutoring program called Smart Thinking, and it is designed mostly for graduate students and those in online programs. We also offer it to undergraduate students, mostly though for after hours of the Academic Success Center, which is 8 to 5, or if we do not have a tutor available in the specific subject. If you are an undergraduate student, it is more beneficial to attend the ASC tutoring because, one, it is free, and you are getting help from other students who have already taken the course. So please take advantage of these opportunities. So if you scroll back up, you can see again your courses to the right hand side, your announcements to the left, and then your Smart Thinking. Right now we're going to click on one of the classes just so you can see how to get into a specific room when you are attending your virtual class. So we're just going to go ahead and choose one of the classes here on this side. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to the course home, which is specifically the home page for that specific class. To your left, you will see the information about the course. So you'll have course information, then course materials, and then any tools and resources. Down here you can see course email. You can use that to email professors or students in your class. You can also get Blackboard help, help desk, or West Library and see what they can offer. If you go back up here, you will see course materials. Under course materials, you will see Collaborate. You won't see this first one, this is just for the specific class, but you will see Collaborate. You will go ahead and click on that, and it will take you to a new page that says Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. This is where you will then click the course room under sessions, and then you'll hit join course room, and this will open up a new tab. Once the new tab opens, it will be logging you in to your class meeting, and all you have to do is use the tools at the bottom and you should be good to go. So here you have tools at the bottom. So you have a microphone so you can share the audio, camera so you can share your video, and then raise hand. This is for you just in case you need to ask a question and you don't want to interrupt. You can use the raise hand option. Then to the right bottom hand corner, we have open Collaborate panel, so you would hit the purple tab and it'll open this side. This has more tools as well. The comment part you can use to comment anything to the class, to your classmates, to your professor, or if not, like I said, you can use the microphone. To the next, we have attendees, so that's where you can see what classmates are in your classroom. Next, the square with the arrow in it shows there's nothing there, but it is for you to either share your screen or share a file if your professor chooses to do so. And then next you have the little gear, which is your settings, and here you can either change your profile picture like this student has up here. You can change audio and video settings and any other settings that you may need. So you can exit out of that. Once your class has finished, you will go up to the top left corner with the three lines where it says open session menu. You will open it. It has more information that you can have help on, and at the bottom you will click leave session. It'll ask you for some feedback. You can choose to answer or not. If not, you can just hit skip, and then it'll load for you to leave the session. Once this browser comes up, you can close the window and it'll take you back to your home page for the class. So here I'm just going to click home so we can see the Blackboard homepage, and that is basically it. If you need any other help or want to see any of the other tools that Blackboard Collaborate uses, if you scroll down to the middle, you can see here help in troubleshooting, and you can see a video on how to manage those extra tools. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and were able to understand a little bit of how Blackboard works for those who are taking virtual classes at the beginning of the semester. If you have any other questions, please feel free to visit IT help desk at the basement of the library, and always come by to the Academic Success Center where we can help you with any tutoring, any advising, and any help in general on Blackboard or anything, any questions you may have. So thank you for enjoying this video, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.